Hi, my name is Troy, and I'm doing my field studies with Aramark to become a wellness coordinator in elementary schools. So for the first competency, it is leadership, which is social influence in which a person can enlist the aid and support of others in the accomplishment of a common task. It's not just important to a health science major, but I would say anyone with high aspirations. It shows initiative, ability to make things happen. Others will listen and follow your lead. And I feel like it'll get you noticed easier, show that you're like management material and someone who can move up within a company. Um, Group projects are the best example I feel that I have in this. So examples would be like CHS 230 and CHS 421, where I worked with others, and in a couple of those, or a couple times I had to work in groups, I had to take the initiative to try and get things done. So I think that's a good example. Um, in my field study, I'm actually in it with other people, so we're kind of learning it together, so there's probably less of a leadership role. But as far as what I'm doing in there, I would say since we're learning to work with kids and I already have experience in that field, I'm trying to share my knowledge with them, and so that's a little bit of a leadership role, I guess. Um, I'd say it's a quality that helps people flock to you, and employers appreciate it, so that's a way that it's used in the future and further in a career that we choose. The second one's professionalism. It's the ability to demonstrate ethical choices, values, and professional practices that are essential in public health decisions. Like every other major, community health science is intended to lead us to a profession. And professionalism is important because our demeanor, attitude, and actions will be a major part deciding how far we can go. Um, I learned a lot about this. I'd say most of what I learned in health science about this was in CHS 345, Ethics and Professionalism, because the class was geared towards this exactly. We even had to attend a job fair to meet with professionals in the field, in fields, and learn about how it works and how to talk with them and stuff. Um, I'm using this in my field study because we're going to trainings and learning from many different teachers and volunteers and stuff, and we have to conduct ourselves in a certain way. As far as my field study, it's going well. Went to a training in Carson, had many different guest speakers, learned how to do CPR, and next week I start working in the schools. So that should be fun. Anyways, for now, that's it, and hope everyone's enjoying their field studies, and good luck.